So today we're going to show you how to wire the HMF wood burning furnace with our gas furnace. Get your choice of a two-stage unit or a single-stage unit. They wire up exactly the same. Here we are at the control module. We're going to wire up the thermostat or the interlock to the gas furnace. We're going to utilize the 5 and 6 spot on the top control. This wire will run back to the gas furnace. So with the lower vestibule, where the A, B, and C Molexes are located, we basically run a 2-wire over to where the furnace is, and then we have our HMFK add-on relay. In the instructions, it tells you to go to the 14 and 11 spot with the 2-wire. So we'll make those connections while it's outside the box. Much easier to do that now. Then, as it's shown here, we take the B harness, make the connection, like so. We won't be using the A or the C. Just push those back in. And then in this harness, there's a spot for the relay to slide on in the bottom. From the HMFK add-on relay, we're going to connect up to the R and the Y connection at the furnace. Okay, so our wires from the thermostat, as well as the main control box, this is the interlock section where we ran it from 5 and 6. So we want to interrupt W in the event of a failure. So right from here, we'll go W from the thermostat, W from the relay, and wire that like so. This one here will become our new W. So we're here at the thermostat. We have the bare minimum of 3 wires from the gas furnace. We're going to connect up the R, the W, and the G for heat only. Over here we have our wood only thermostat. They do need to be separate.